Hi everybody, this is Shell from Shell's Designs, and today we're going to make this really cute spring card using Lawn Fawn and Stamps of Life in a Sizzix set. I thought it would be really fun to combine what I already had to make this really cute card. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Alright, first I'm going to say bless your heart if you watched that first video being upside down and all. So I went ahead and I die cut all the pieces that I was going to need for the card today. And so here's our card base, and I'm going to fold along the score line, and then we do the whole step where you start with bending it away from you at the very bottom. Basically you get the heart to stand up, right? And then valley, and then mountain on the next one, and then the valley, and one more mountain. Now this last heart, we're basically going to cut this bad boy's curves off. Okay, and so then I like to just push it down. And when I don't have my bone folder intact, I just use the back of my scissors. Then on the back heart, might as well just do it right now. Cut off his curves. Oh, no, I'm curveless. The set that it comes in, it comes with this background piece, and so I use some Stamps of Life pattern paper, and I'm just going to layer that on there like so. And then on the back of my, so I used Lawn Fawn's open window, and I traced out a piece to go in the background so that that's my inside. And I'm just going to go around the edges. Alright, so I'm going to set that to the side to let it dry. I have 3 flower pots here. And I'm just going to layer all those. So I'm going to get my flowers. There we go. And then I'm going to use my glue dots. Write in the comments below, what is your favorite adhesive that you like to use and why? Just going to put our last one here. And as I'm going, I'm finding that if you put it closer to, like, higher up on the stem, rather than trying to line up the points, it actually goes on a lot better. See? I'm just going to, I stamped her out 4 times because I'm going to need her a total of 4 times. And I'm just going to color each part of her at the same time. It makes the coloring go way faster. And I have Touch New markers. They're great. I have yet to experience Copic, so I don't know what I'm missing. And then I have a Chameleon marker. So if you want, you can watch me color. And I'm going to start with the petals. Put the petal to the metal. And this part I'm just going to put to music, and we're going to speed it up. these on camera for you. So I have my quadruplets cut out there. My window, which I'm going to put one of them in, and then give her some adhesive so she sticks in there. Stick some adhesive on the back. I'm just kind of layering it so a little bit at the top, like that. Could have a flower on the outside too. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So I'm gonna stick her. Is that the one I want? Yeah, that's the one I want to stick there. Because I went outside the lines in that one spot. Now you will never know. That. So the next one I'm just going to put adhesive on the heart. This one I want her so she's peeking, just her eyes are showing, so I can put adhesive anywhere underneath that. But we're still learning here at Shells Designs. And she's going to be standing out while holding the flower. So the flower, I'm going to use a glue dot to attach to her hand. I actually decided to put the glue dot on the other side. Simply by moving it with your finger. Leaf on the outside. And then we just want to put a little bit of adhesive on her feet. And then we're going to put some on our broken heart. We don't really have a broken heart, we just, well, maybe you do, I don't know, I can't speak for you. But there we go, and that is our card. Super sweet, super simple, and the products I used for this card are Easter Party by Lawn Fawn, Succulent to Stamp, I just used the flower pot die. I have the Heart Stand Up by Sizzix, and the Open Window by Lawn Fawn. So that was our card. It's fairly simple, fairly easy, and I hope you enjoyed our show today. And hopefully today it wasn't upside down. That was some kind of special. Alright, I thank you so much for tuning in from Shells Designs. We'll catch you next time. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a subscribe if you want to see more. Okay, have a great one. Talk to you later.